Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your join request and Telegram. First guys, I have said that unfortunately Telegram currently doesn't overweight directly cancel and join request a group channel. What you can do, either you wait for the admin response, so the group channel admin haven't accepted or rejected your request, and yet you can wait and see their chance they may not accept, and request will simply remain unanswered. And you can also contact admin, but I would avoid it because repeatedly contacting admin to cancel your request may some it come across both some it's best to weigh their decision. And but you can of course write the admin and say, by the way, and didn't really want to join your just reject my request. This is what you can do if you absolutely must avoid the group channel. Consider the option you can create a new account, the group and public. You can create new Telegram account and join group instead on, or you can ask friend to remove you and private group. You know someone who already a member, and you can politely ask them explain situation and admin request removal. But this is only things to do cancel join request Telegram. I hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching.